welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing an update on the Chanel Beauty Pouch. On my previous video, I did a tutorial on how to attach the rivets on the cosmetic pouch. So this year they didn't have the loop where you could just attach the strap. So this time, let me show you how it would look with the silver rivets. Right here, I think this would look good with the silver rivets and also with the silver chain in here. Guys, this is actually my most favorite pouch that Chanel has released. This beautiful greige color, and I think with the silver hardware it looks gorgeous. So anyway, I also have here are some of the rivets that I used. So let me just remind you guys that I know there is a lot of rivets available online at Amazon, but look for the one that has a better quality. So this one, I got this the same brand that I purchased the gold, and this one is actually has a better quality compared to the rivets that I have used years ago. But I have this for more than a year, of course, and it's actually holding up pretty well. I didn't see any tarnished at all. This one is made up of brass, and I chose brass over the one that's actually coated with the shiny gold. That's because the gold in time, the shiny gold in time would started to chip, but this one is perfect. So I would suggest to use this, and also I got this silver as well right here. And let me show you a comparison that I got like years ago. This is the rivet that I've got years ago. And as you guys could see, as you guys have noticed, that the D-ring and also the heads that we have right here, this is how it looks. Right here, let me just give you a little bit of, yeah, so this is how it looks right here, and this is the one that I am currently using. So you see the difference. This one right here, it actually sticking out, and this one is actually like pretty deep. So I would not recommend this one over the one. I would recommend the one that's actually, that is a little bit like raised right there, where you actually put the bolt head right there. So I would suggest to get the one that was sticking out a little bit more compared to the one that it's actually like, yeah, it's set so deep right there. So I would recommend this over the one that was like, because yeah, you don't really want it to damage the fabric. That's why I would recommend this over the ones that I have here on my right. So the one also, yeah, I also got this one as well. This one actually, it's not good at all. This one, the raised part right here, which was actually raised there, I don't know how to describe this one, but this one right here, where you actually put the screw head or the bolt heads right here, it's actually raised, and just like that, it's actually perfect. It's so easy compared to the ones with this one. It is like, yeah, this would not really work. This would damage the fabric. So if you're looking for the one rivets online at Amazon, look for the one that is actually the raised part right here, where you put the screw head. So look for this one, and this one is actually a very high quality rivets. This is this gold, and this is the silver as well. So let me just remind you that. And yeah, this is how it looks with the silver hardware. I think it looks pretty and it looks gorgeous with the silver hardware. So now let me, like I did in my previous video with the tutorial, all you have to do is punch a hole on this corner. Make it sure that when you punch a hole, it is in between the fabric and the bone right here, because this is the thickest part of the pouch. So you wanted to punch it in here where the fabric is is thicker. If you want to go down a little bit, then I would not suggest that. Make it sure it is in between that, or it's between the bone, okay? So you need to punch it. So I have it set to number 2 right there. And let's put, you could easily install this. Now, I'm not going to use that. I am going to use this one right here. You could easily do this, guys, in probably in a minute. It is so easy to do it. So that's one, it's in place. So you could just easily put the screw inside right there. Yeah, it's so easy. And then you're going to finish it off with the screwdriver to tighten it up right there. It's so easy, guys. This is so easy. And then look at that. You got those rivets in there. Let me close it. Okay. And also, I think it was in my comment, in the comment section in my previous video, people are asking if this one, if the pouch would turn upside down. Yes, it would. So see that it will turn upside down. So if you're gonna put it a little bit lower over here, it's gonna definitely, it's just gonna turn upside down like that. Once you stuff this and use it as a crossbody, then it wouldn't swivel, it wouldn't turn upside down. But right now, without anything inside, yes, because the rivets are it would swivel, so that's what had happened. And I prefer it that way over the one that was just steady. So I think this one is perfect. So let me show you with silver hardware chain. So I am putting up, this is just a shoulder bag, not a crossbody bag. So I prefer this to use over my shoulder, not a crossbody. So this is how it looks with the silver. I think it complements perfectly because of the color of the pouch. Just right there. Just like that. So, yeah. So, let me just put the zipper. So, yeah, it looks just like that. So, it's not too bad, though. It's not too bad. It's not like if you hold it towards this way as the handle, just like if you're gonna use it as a top handle, I mean, it's not gonna swivel, it's not gonna turn upside down like that. So with this chain, it looks like, no, it wouldn't do that. So yeah, looking at it right now, it's not, yeah, I don't think it would turn upside down. So it looks like it stays in place and it looks perfect. And also, if you wanted to use the pearl, I like the pearl though for an evening night out. If you go for a party, you could also wear it at your wedding, birthdays, or any occasion. I think it looks pretty, just like this. And also, yeah, you have an option to use a gold hardware or a silver hardware, but this one is actually has a mixture of the silver and the gold, so I think it also looks good as well. Just like that. This one is perfect. And also, a lot of my subscribers also or viewers as well noticed that I put the brooch right on my previous pouch. Yeah, you could also try to put a little bit of an embellishment of the pouch just to elevate the look of it. And on my next video, I'll be doing a tutorial video on how I attach the brooch. If you have real Chanel brooch, that would be perfect, that you could actually use it on a pouch. And you could also use a camellia flowers right here. So this one are so pretty. The black ones, I have this one is made up of plastic. I don't even remember where I got this, but this one looks so beautiful. It looks so pretty because it is like a perfect size for the pouch. So let me just show you how this would look with, yeah, definitely this is how it would look if I am going to put the camellia on the pouch. So that would be my next video. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.